The GTstreet R Touring is a special limited run model crafted for those who love high performance based on the Porsche 911 Turbo S. This car comes from Techart, a company known for its top-notch sports car modifications. They've decided to make just 25 of these cars, showing how exclusive this model is. This car isn't just about a new look at the back. Techart has created a new body kit that includes more than 40 unique parts. You can change the look of the front and back ends of the car. There are also new pieces like carbon fenders, side parts, air openings, wider fenders, and a hood. You can choose to have these carbon parts shine with a gloss or have a more subdued matte finish. One of the standout features is the cool ducktail spoiler at the back. It's a design we wish Porsche would use more often. Techart replaces the usual Turbo S setup with this lighter spoiler that helps with airflow and keeps the car stable at high speeds. It's also 60% lighter than the standard version, and it helps cool down the powerful engine. Techart also bumps up the power of the GTstreet R Touring. You can pick from 2 levels of power boosts. The first level adds an extra 60 horsepower and 74 pound-feet of torque. The second level goes even further with new turbochargers and adjustments to the engine and transmission settings, along with a custom exhaust. This brings the car up to 790 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque, which is 150 horsepower and 110 pound-feet more than the standard Turbo S. Techart states the car can reach speeds up to 217 miles per hour. To handle this extra power, the car is fitted with a sport suspension that lowers it by about an inch. You can also opt for Tecart's adjustable coilovers and special center lock wheels that are 20 inches in the front and 21 inches at the back. The car's front width is increased by an inch, and you can choose carbon aero disc brakes. Inside, you'll find a lot of leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and aluminum. Wondering about the price? For a 911 Turbo S with 790 horsepower and a ducktail spoiler, Techart has set the starting price for European customers at €98,250, roughly $107,000. Remember, that's only for the modifications. You still need the $230,000 911 Turbo S, plus any extra Techart options you want. With only 25 of these cars being made, it's a rare opportunity to own something truly special.